Hi, my name is Leandro Gonzalez, and this is the introductory video for the admin role and the Smart Stormwater Smart City System 2.0. Now, the first thing admins will see when they try to connect to the application is the login page, as no one can access the application if they do not have a valid account. Once you log in into the system, you're redirected to the main dashboard page. In this page, you can see general information about the status of the system. Admins can see the total number of sub-users they have created, the total number of assigned devices they have, and the number of notifications they have received. In addition, admins can see the field level of the devices they have assigned. They can also see the battery level of each one of the devices they have access to. Admins can go to the account page. In there, they could modify the information of their profile. For instance, they could change their phone number and update their profile, or change their last name and cancel the changes. When they go back, you're going to see the account. It's just as it was before. From this account page, admins can also change their password in case they forget it. In addition, admins could go to the settings page, and here they can change their notification settings. For instance, they could decide they do not want to receive email notifications any longer. Instead, they want to receive SMS notifications. They could also change the field level at which they desire to get the notifications and update the settings. If you navigate out of the page, when you go back, everything was persisted into the database. In addition, admins have access to this users page, which is probably one of the most important pages in the application because it is the one that allows admins to give access to the applications to other users. From here, admins can see a list of all the sub-users they have created. In this page, admins, by clicking this top right corner button, can create new users. In addition, admins can modify users' information. They could delete users so they no longer have access to the application. In addition, if an admin clicks on a user, it appears another additional table in the bottom of the screen containing the devices that users has access to. For instance, this first user has access to 3 devices. Admins are the ones in charge of assigning and removing devices. For instance, if we do no longer want these users to have access to the SOP1 device, we will just click on remove and we will confirm. Now, Emilio no longer has access to the SOP1 device. In addition, if an admin clicks on this button in the bottom table, they are able to assign a device to the selected sub-user. In case we want to select multiple devices and assign them to multiple users, we would go to the Actions button, click on Multi-Select, and then Multi-Select Users. After that, we'll click on the top right corner, click on Assign Devices, and then select the devices you want to assign to all the selected users. Admins also have access to this devices page. In here, they can see a list of all the devices they have access to. Admins can click on this Add button, and they could create new devices. They could also select a device and see all the users with access to the device. In addition, there's a notification page which shows all notifications, and you could sort. In the case of this user, he hasn't received any notifications, that's why the table is empty. And last, we have a maps page. In here, admins are able to see their devices on the map. When they click on one of them, they can see information about the device, such as the address, the field level, and the battery level. So this was the guide for the admin role of the Smart Stormwater Smart City System 2.0. Thank you.